The winds blast snowflakes across the city, making it difficult to even stand upright. Hokkaido is getting swept by a cold, high-pressure system. After days and days of heavy snowfall, travelers can barely endure the freezing temperatures. Tourist hotspots such as Sapporo, Otaru, Hakorade and Biei are getting hit by what looks like a typhoon, only that it's freezing and snowy. Travelers that were all smiles seeing penguins in the morning were left chattering in the evening. Driving is extremely dangerous with reduced visibility that barely lets drivers see anything besides a white haze. There's been plenty of traffic accidents, and since road markings aren't visible, drivers have to rely on their instincts. People going outside have to wrap up extra warm. In areas like Sapporo, the nighttime perceived temperature is as low as -15 degrees. On the street, even fish for sale and food stalls are buried in snow, turning the city into a freezer.
I'm at the Hakorade morning market, where the temperature feel is -19 degrees Celsius. It's freezing cold. I arrived in Hakorade yesterday as the blizzard was blowing over. JR didn't suspend any train services. It's so cold that there is barely anyone on the street.
Many outdoor attractions have closed due to the constant snow. Lion Travel says there has been a few road closures and flight delays, but tour groups have been largely unaffected. Easy Travel says group itineraries are going ahead as planned, but independent travelers are advised to adjust their plans based on weather and transport conditions. If you end up trapped in the snow, crying will only get you ice on your face.